The secret of the alkaline bath: baking soda, Epsom salt, and essential oils. What if one of the most powerful beauty rituals did not come from a fancy spa, a luxury brand, or a complicated treatment, but from a simple bath you could prepare at home? Imagine lying in warm, soothing water that not only relaxes your body but also draws out toxins, restores your skin's natural glow, and even balances the pH of your entire system. This is the secret of the alkaline bath, a natural combination of baking soda, Epsom salt, and essential oils. It is a ritual that women and men across centuries have used in different forms, and today, modern science is beginning to confirm what ancient traditions always knew: water can heal, minerals can restore, and nature can bring back youthfulness and balance. In this video, you will learn why an alkaline bath is far more than just a relaxing soak, how baking soda and Epsom salt transform your body at the cellular level, and how essential oils turn the whole ritual into a deeply rejuvenating beauty and wellness practice. Why alkalinity matters. Our bodies are constantly exposed to acids, from stress, processed foods, pollution, even from intense workouts. While the body naturally regulates its internal pH, this overload often creates what experts call latent acidosis. You may not notice it right away, but you feel it: sluggish energy, dull skin, tense muscles, and a weakened immune system. An alkaline bath offers a simple counterbalance. By surrounding your skin, your body's largest organ, in an alkaline environment, you support the natural elimination of acids and toxins. Think of it as opening the body's pathways for cleansing, allowing your skin, kidneys, and lymphatic system to work in harmony. The power of baking soda. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is more than just a kitchen staple. When dissolved in warm water, it creates a soft, silky texture and raises the water's pH to a gentle alkaline state. What are the benefits of baking soda in a bath? Neutralizes acids on the skin surface, soothing irritation and redness. Softens skin, leaving it smooth and hydrated. Promotes gentle detoxification by encouraging the release of acidic waste products through the skin. Can calm itching and mild rashes, making it especially useful for sensitive or stressed skin. Imagine this: you slip into a bath with baking soda after a long, stressful day. Within minutes, the tension in your skin begins to fade, and what felt dry and tight now feels soft, nourished, and renewed. The power of Epsom salt. Epsom salt, or magnesium sulfate, is another hero ingredient. Unlike regular salt, it is rich in magnesium, one of the most essential minerals for relaxation, energy, and beauty. Why magnesium matters. Over 70% of people are deficient in magnesium, which can lead to muscle cramps, fatigue, anxiety, and even sleep problems. Absorbing magnesium through the skin in an Epsom salt bath bypasses the digestive system, delivering it directly into your bloodstream. Benefits of Epsom salt in a bath. Relaxes tense muscles and eases cramps. Supports the nervous system, promoting calmness and better sleep. Helps regulate over 300 enzymatic processes in the body, from energy production to detoxification. Can reduce swelling and inflammation, supporting joint health. Picture this: you finish a workout or a long day at work, your legs feel heavy, and your shoulders ache. After 20 minutes in an Epsom salt bath, the heaviness lifts, your muscles relax, and your mind begins to quiet down. The power of essential oils. While baking soda and Epsom salt provide the physical foundation, essential oils turn the bath into a sensory, emotional, and spiritual ritual. These concentrated plant essences carry both therapeutic and aromatic benefits. Popular choices include lavender, calming, supports sleep, soothes anxiety. Eucalyptus, refreshing, clears the mind, supports respiratory health. Rosemary, invigorating, stimulates circulation, sharpens focus. Geranium, balancing, supports skin health, uplifts mood. Chamomile, gentle, reduces inflammation, deeply relaxing. Adding just a few drops transforms your bath into a holistic experience, where body, mind, and spirit are nurtured simultaneously. How to prepare the perfect alkaline bath. Now let us bring it all together into a step-by-step guide you can try tonight. You will need 1 to 2 cups of baking soda. 1 to 2 cups of Epsom salt. 10 to 15 drops of your favorite essential oil, or a blend. What are the steps? 1. Fill your bathtub with comfortably warm water, not too hot, ideally around 37 to 38 degrees Celsius. 2. Add the baking soda and Epsom salt, stirring gently until dissolved. 3. Add the essential oils last, dispersing them in a carrier oil, like a tablespoon of olive or almond oil, before adding to the bath, to avoid skin irritation. 4. Immerse yourself for at least 20 minutes, allowing your body to fully absorb the minerals and release toxins. 5. After the bath, gently pat your skin dry, then wrap yourself in something warm and comfortable. What is the science behind the ritual? Some may wonder, can a simple bath really make a difference? The answer is yes. Studies on transdermal absorption confirm that magnesium from Epsom salts enters the bloodstream through the skin. Baking soda baths have been used in dermatology to soothe eczema, psoriasis, and skin irritation. Essential oils have been documented in numerous clinical trials for their calming, anti-inflammatory, and circulatory benefits. Together, these elements create a synergistic effect, detoxifying, calming, and rejuvenating the body from the outside in. What is beyond the bath? Which variations and extensions existing? Easy, the beauty of this ritual is its flexibility. Foot bath. If you do not have time for a full bath, prepare a smaller basin with the same ingredients. Even a 20-minute foot soak can relax your whole body. Evening ritual. Add lavender oil and make it part of your nighttime routine to promote deep, restorative sleep. Morning boost. Use rosemary or citrus oils for an energizing start to your day. Skin focus. Add geranium or chamomile to support clear, glowing skin. With each variation, you send a different signal to your body: calm down, wake up, heal, or glow. It's real-life transformations. Consider Sarah, a 45-year-old woman who battled chronic stress and restless sleep. After introducing twice-weekly alkaline baths with lavender and chamomile, she reported falling asleep faster and waking up refreshed. Or Daniel, age 50, who struggled with muscle soreness from running. Adding Epsom salt and rosemary oil baths after training significantly reduced his recovery time and kept his joints pain-free. These are not isolated cases. They are examples of what happens when you give your body the minerals and environment it craves. Why this ritual matters today? In our modern world, filled with overstimulation, digital stress, and environmental toxins, rituals like this are not luxuries, they are necessities. Taking 20 minutes for an alkaline bath is not selfish, it is a powerful form of self-care that ripples out into every area of life. When you emerge from the bath, relaxed and glowing, you bring more patience to your relationships, more clarity to your decisions, and more energy to your goals. This is beauty and wellness at its deepest level. Final recap: the 3 pillars of the alkaline bath. 1. Baking soda, for balancing pH and softening skin. 2. Epsom salt, for delivering magnesium and relaxing muscles. 3. Essential oils, for transforming the ritual into a full body and mind experience. Simple, natural, powerful. My closing inspiration. Remember, true beauty is not about fighting age or chasing perfection. It is about creating daily habits that keep you balanced, vibrant, and alive. An alkaline bath is one of those habits, a timeless practice that costs little yet offers immeasurable rewards. So tonight, instead of scrolling endlessly or collapsing into bed with tension still in your body, try this ritual. Fill your tub, add the 3 ingredients, and give yourself permission to pause, detox, and glow. If you found this video inspiring, make sure to check out my video on Get Glowing. Viral DIY honey mask for radiant skin. You will find the link on your screen and in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a like and subscribe to my channel so you will not miss anything in the future. Thank you.